Here with another bone update here, all right? Gonna take everything off there and just look at this chart right here. All right, we're gonna dig into the RSIs and everything here in a second. It looks like we might be setting up for another push here. All right, I got some pretty decent news for you guys. This came out a few days ago, but still, I found it. If you haven't read about it, this is on GWW, the GWW.com. It says Dogpad Finance, a part of the Shibarium Launchpad ecosystem, has announced a purchase of a massive amount of BONE tokens. The team continues to hold the tokens and aims for BONE's trading price to skyrocket with the launch of Shibarium. Dogpad Finance also plans to convert the entire liquidity pool into BONE, showing their confidence in its future growth. The Dogpad Finance team has recently made a significant purchase of BONE tokens and continues to hold them. As the launch date for Shibarium approaches, Dogpad Finance aims to see a surge in the price of BONE. This article explores Dogpad Finance's confidence in BONE and its role in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Looks like they purchased $20,000 worth. The team previously bought a substantial amount of BONE tokens 4 months ago and continues to hold them. Dogpad Finance aims for the trading price of BONE to skyrocket with the launch of Shibarium. They have an entire liquidity pool, approximately $200,000 worth of ETH into BONE. BONE serves as a governance token and the authorized gas token for Shibarium in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The current trading price of BONE is around $1.27. The trading volume of BONE has experienced a decline of over 33%. That could be because of these guys trying to corner the market here. If they're not selling and they're holding on, that's what you want to see. The crypto community expects BONE to gain a bullish momentum after the launch of Shibarium on the mainnet. So the conclusion here is Dogpad Finance's recent purchase of a significant amount of BONE tokens demonstrates their confidence in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and the future growth of BONE with the upcoming launch of Shibarium. Dogpad Finances aims to see the trading price of BONE rise to new heights. The entire crypto community eagerly anticipates the impact of Shibarium on BONE's performance. So they are trying to corner the market, it looks like, so no one can dump on it. They want to tie these tokens up. Which is good. That's what you want to see. You want to see that for sure. If we put, let's put everything back on here. Let's see if is there anything down there. As far as volume down there, you got your normal volume. I thought maybe you'd see a spike somewhere. They were talking about. Let's go into weekly. You can see a bunch of buy volume through here. June, July. All them green weeks. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 5 are green right there. That's right here where this thing was building up on price. And then when they launched the Shibarium, and this thing is used for gas prices, yeah, I could definitely see this thing, busting out of this wedge in the, short to medium term, I would imagine. Alright, so if you would, please hit the like and subscribe. Let's take a real quick look at the crypto bubbles. There you can see what's going on for the day. The top 100. There's the top 2. You got GMT finally doing something. Sushi. There's a few out there starting to move. So good to see. I think Bitcoin's setting up for a big move here. All the RSIs are pretty much at zero. Looks like that thing is setting up for a big move. So that's going to help everything here. Let's look at these RSIs. Again, like we've talked about, this weekly being at the top. No big deal. We went through this before. It was at the top over here when the price was right here and it still shot up. Over here it was at the top, still shot way up. So no big deal with that. The daily is just about reset for BONE. Okay, that's what you want to see here. Got that daily RSI. In about an hour and a half, that thing will be totally reset and ready to go. All right, still looks like on the daily RSI, as high as this is down at the bottom, looks like it's going to have one more decent push here. Okay, got the 12-hour on the floor, beautiful. 8-hour, perfect. and a 4-hour. There you go. If you want them all lined up beautifully right where you want them, there you go. That's what we're looking at. Within, who knows, couple hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, I don't know. But all these RSIs are at the bottom, okay? Every time the RSIs are at the bottom, all right, there's the 12-hour on the floor right here, okay? You can see what happened, this rise in price up through here, okay? Rose right up to there on that move on the 12-hour. The daily, when the daily's on the floor, all right, you see what happened here. That was the start of this run for the daily. All the way up there, okay? And to come back down the other side, you would expect a much bullet, but you'd get a much further pullback, like a 618 would be a normal pullback with a fib on a run like that. Let's see what we got. Let's put this at the top, right there, and pull it down to the bottom, the start of the run. Look at that. We only got a 50% pullback. That's showing strength in a coin. Normally, it'll come down to the 618, right like this here. You'll get a pullback to the 618. That's where the buyers come in, and then the thing starts bouncing from there. It didn't even come down that far. This thing is showing, definitely showing strength, okay? It's not going to pull back any way down there at that 618. The daily's almost reset, okay? So once the daily's reset, you can see it comes down the other side, hits the bottom, then it goes back up the other side. Right through here, comes down, heads up, all right? Comes down, heads up, same thing over and over, all right? So we're getting ready for a run up here, guys. When, the time will tell. That's all I can say. We expect to move out of this thing soon. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research with stuff like that. But depending on where we take the measurement of this one wave here, it could end up. It's just so hard to say. I expect it at least to get up to that $1.60. If it gets through this top, that would be a miracle. I just don't see that happening. Okay, in my personal opinion, who knows? Crazy things happen in this crypto market. So, all right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll be back at the end of the day or two when we get some price action here, but it looks like we're about ready to start some. So, have a great night, everybody.